Hey, what's going on? This is Earth Cap Mushrooms coming back with another video for you. Today we're going to fill some capsules with mushroom powder. I have a bunch of reishi powder that grown up that we grew here, and we're going to put these into capsules. That way we take them as a supplement. What I'm using is the capsule machine, and they have this. They make different sizes for these. I'm using the 000s. With the 000s, generally can hold just about one gram of mushroom powder. And so I'll show you here. I already have the reishi ground up. Have it in my cup here. This is the capsule machine itself. It has a few different pieces. Preloaded some of the capsules already. But you have the base, the actual thing for the capsule, the long part of the capsules. And you can see that you push up on the bottom and it comes up. So you use the stand this way and it can't push down. And when you're ready to cap them, you flip it over and you push them together. I'll show you that in just a bit. It also has a tamping tool. I'll show you how to use that in just a minute. And then this is the top part, has some capsules in here, and they move up and down as well. So I preloaded, this thing holds 18. I preloaded most of them. These are the 000 capsules here. So you have two parts, they come apart real easy. The long part goes in here, short part goes in here. And to load them up, that's also super easy. Basically we're gonna pour a little bit at a time in here. Has a little spreader card to spread it around with, and we'll tamp it down. Show you all that in just a bit. So this, you can see the little excess part here. I usually flip that my way, and I put a piece of paper down, that way we could scrape it off, pour it back in. So I'll start with the reishi powder, just pour a good bit on there at first, and then just spread it around to fill up all the capsules. And then what I'll do generally here is just kind of take it like this and get it kind of mostly even across everything, and then we'll start tamping it down. This little bit here. So use a tamper. Usually push real slow with it. It tends to, depending on the type of mushroom, tends to stick on this thing. Where I'm at, there's a good bit of humidity. You can see here how it sticks sometimes. You can just knock that off every time. It's not going to affect anything. So then you got the holes here. Refill them back up, and you'll get more and more in there every time. So it doesn't look like it's all going to fit, but it should. If I measured everything correctly, it should fit. So I measured out. This is 18 capsules, and what I did is I usually measure each capsule. Generally it can hold up to right about a gram. I generally measure, since there's 18 of them, I usually do 17 grams or so. That way you're not tamping down the powder, like you'd be tamping it down forever trying to fit all of it in. So it doesn't have to be perfect, I don't think. So just put as much as you can in there. Now you can do any kind of mushroom or any kind of anything in here. You can put other things. You can use like cinnamon or whatever kind of supplement you want that you have around the house. This thing would be really good for. So the capsules, I'll put in the description where to get the capsule machine and where I got the capsules themselves from, and that'll be in the description. So we've got most of it all in here now, and then I got a little bit left in the bowl. But as far as mushrooms go, ones that I take, so I'll do lion's mane, I'll do turkey tail, cordyceps, reishi, and those are the ones that I generally take, and take them just once a day with some food. You can put them in tea and different other things too if you like, but reishi is a pretty good example of this. Is the reishi powder. Reishi mushroom in general is pretty bitter. A lot of people like making the tea out of it. I don't tend to like the way the tea tastes, but so I like doing it in the powder form. But you can do, like I said, lion's mane is a really good one for brain support. Reishi and turkey tail have so many different benefits. Turkey tail is really good for their cancer treatments and different other things like that. And then cordyceps is for energy. So you can see it gets harder and harder tamping down, and I only put 17 grams in here, and it's getting real hard to tamp down now. So I got a little bit, tiny bit left here. And then we'll call it about good for me. So we'll say that's good enough. It says I can fit a little more in there if I tamp down a little, a few more times, but to make it easy, I don't want to drag the video out for too long. Once you get all your mushroom caps in there, done with these two, real simple here. So we're gonna flip the bottom base over, take the top, the top of the pills and the bottom of the pills. I usually will kind of put them together like this, and then you press down on the top here. And what I'll do usually too is lift it up and kind of smash them down a little bit more just to make sure they're all good. I'll flip it over and we should have all our pills ready to go. I'll push them up just to make sure they're all sealed. They look like they're great. So, and that's that. Dump these guys and put them wherever you want. And little container, airtight container, and now you got 18 capsules. So again, the capsule machine, I really like this one. It's small, doesn't take long to use it. They make much bigger ones. I thought this one worked. I really like this brand. I'll put the links in the description for you. If you found this video helpful and you have any questions or anything like that, send us a comment, send us a message if you like. But hopefully you like and subscribe to it, and we'll see you next time. You have a good one. Bye.